Hi, Anthony from Secure Securities, and today I'm going to show you how you can navigate our website. So if you landed on my website, the main website, securesecurities.com, you'll land on our homepage. On our homepage, it explains all the services that we offer, whether it be fire alarm systems, camera systems, card access systems, or intercom systems. We also have a chat bot that can help you navigate this website if you have any problems on our website. And if you can't get it solved by the chat bot, then it will transfer over to a live agent that can actually help you. So if you scroll down more, you could also see more information about us. You can learn more about us, the blogs that we write, whether it be for fire alarm, smart home security, how to stay safe, a lot of tips and tricks that we provide on our website. And at the bottom, you could also go to our store to see what type of camera system that you would need for your particular environment. And here are our partners at the bottom. So our next tab is services. And here we have a breakdown of all the services that we provide, whether it be an interactive home security service, security cameras, fire alarm and life safety, access control system, 24-hour professional monitoring. And if you're looking for a job, you can click the link Jobs at SIS and apply for the jobs that we have available. So the first tab that we're going to go into is our interactive home security tab. Here, it will explain all of our smart home security solutions and all the products we have for your security solutions. This pop-up form comes up to grab your information so that way we can put you in a list and then send you free stuff, give you discounts, let you know how to work the system that you currently have. If you have any issues with your keypad, if you have any issues with your doors, door contacts, window contacts, motion detectors, main panel, whatever it is, if you have any issues, this is what the sign-up form is for, to help you and guide you and solve those problems that you actually have with your current security system. So as we scroll further down, there's more information about the products that we use when it comes to our smart home security system. Here, you could download the app, the alarm.com app, when you actually purchase any of the alarm.com equipment along with the alarm.com services. You can download the app straight from our website. This also gives you a breakdown of the packages that we have. We have 4 packages: the Secure Pro package, the Secure Premium package, the Secure Elite package, the Secure Smart Home package. Each one of these packages come with a different configuration, a different setup. And if you want something more custom, all you got to do is just give us a call or send us an email. We'll customize the system straight for you. More information about smart home security, and these are other security packages that we also offer. So our secure basic monitoring packages start at $64.88. What you get with that is you get up to 8 cameras. You get a full smart home security system, no matter how many devices that you actually add to the system, 40 motions, 100 door contacts, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you only get up to 8 cameras max when it comes to this particular system. Anything more than that, you would just have to add that service if you need more than 8 cameras. We also do elevator monitoring at $54.88. We do open and close log time. So if you're a business who wants to know who opened the store, who closed the store, what user, you will have to also assign users for each one of these to work. So if you have 4 different users, you can find out which one opened and which one closes each and every night. And we could actually send you a daily report on that. So there's a fee for that. We can test it weekly. Test timer, meaning that the panel calls the central station every day to say, hey, I'm still here. I am okay. The communication between the both of us is still here. So once a day, if you want it weekly, if you want it daily, if you want it every 6 hours, there's also a charge for that as well. But how it works is daily test timer is included with the monitoring package. If you want anything outside of that, then you will have to pay for that. We also have the client portal. You could log into your account. You can manage your account. You could cancel alarms if there's a false alarm. You could also add users and give them access to your system at any particular time or day. You could also schedule it if need be as well. You have full control over your own alarm system. You don't have to call the central station, or you don't have to call the security company to take your system offline. You can go log into your app and shut your system off if you need to do some testing. Furthermore, at the bottom, we have a way you can get in touch with us where you could book a call, or you could get more information about how to live smarter if you have a smart home security system inside of your home. And here we just have some frequently asked questions where you can get in touch with us. What are some of the key features? How can I customize my security system? How can this work for me? So all of that information is here for you. And at the bottom, you can also go to the alarm.com client portal, register your yourself there so that way you can view your system either on the web. This also comes, you have to be registered with the alarm.com services first that you get on your mobile phone. And once you get the mobile phone activated or your services activated, you will be able to view it from your phone and from the website. So the next tab after that is our security cameras. When it comes to security cameras, we install a lot of cameras, government facilities. The largest project we did was a DMV. We put over 150 cameras in 5 different DMVs from Yonkers to New York City and in Brooklyn. A few different locations, we upgraded their camera system. So here on our camera page, just give you more information about the camera systems we use and how it can help you if you're still on the fence about getting a camera system. Some of the work that we did, the solution we have when it comes to no NVRs. These cameras, this is our indoor camera. We also have outdoor cameras that work with no NVR as well. All Wi-Fi cameras. Rather, those cameras work on PoE. So you could either have a PoE switch or you can have a local PoE hub plugged directly locally to where the camera is located and then run a cable from there to the camera. We also have service and maintenance agreements when it comes to maintaining your camera systems. If you have PTZ cameras, we come out there, clean the dome, clean the lens, make sure the drivers is working, make sure that the camera pan, tilt, and zoom. We focus and adjust all of your cameras. We check the NVRs. We check your hard drives. We make sure everything is recording. If you have a RAID hard drive or if you have a regular standard hard drive, we make sure it's functioning and we test it. We put your system through rigorous tests to make sure if anything is going to fail, we will replace it right then and there, or we will give you a service ticket for an escalation. We have to come back because we may have to order the part and replace it. But we do our due diligence up front so that way we can find out any problems that you may have with your system so that way we can get rid of it right away. So our next tab is our fire alarm and life safety tab. Here explains the fire alarm work that we do in New York City. We are licensed in New York State, so all of our work is within New York. New York City is a totally different animal when it comes to installing fire alarm systems versus New York City, then Westchester and Putnam and Orange counties. These areas all have different rules when it comes to installing a fire alarm system. So here you will see we are approved New York City Fire Alarm Company. If you want a free site visit or a free site survey, click the link and we will get your information. We will get on the phone with you. We will see what the problems that you have and we will send someone out there to give you a free assessment on your fire alarm system. You'll see the companies we work with. You see our tailored solutions and our partners that we work with. If you have any questions when it comes to your fire alarm system, if you have violations that you got from the fire department, if you have troubles on your system that can't be fixed, if you have ground faults, if you have dead batteries, if you have anything that's wrong with your fire alarm system, you give us a call. We'll come out there and check it out for you for free, give you an estimate, and then we move from there. Our next tab is our access control system. Here it gives us a little bit of information of what access control is, the card readers, the types of card readers we use, the type of system we use, just a general overview of the systems that we actually will put in on your property or inside of your home if you're looking for an access control system. Next is we have our 24-hour professional monitoring page. Here explains how our monitoring works with text alerts. So say like if we get a false alarm, the first thing we're going to do is call you. If you don't answer, we're going to text you. But the text is going to say 1 to dispatch, 2 to cancel. We know most people are usually busy, so they don't answer their phone, but they may answer a text. So if you press 1, that means we're going to dispatch. If you send back 2, that means we're going to cancel the false alarm. So it's very easy. You don't have to send us a whole paragraph. All you need to do is 1 or 2. 1, send the police because it was an actual alarm, or 2, no, it was a false alarm, cancel. Simple. Next over is our jobs at SIS page. We are looking for technicians. We are looking for people to do marketing. We are looking for engineers. We are looking for project managers. We are looking for programmers. We are looking for people, good people like you, to help us build this company. Next over is our government tab. Here's where we send all of our government clients. We don't send them to our home page. We don't send them to our smart home store. We send them straight to our government page. So if they're looking to see what we do for the government, they will find it on this page. They will see our corporate data. They will see what we specialize in for the government. They would also see our capability statement. So that way you can get an idea of what we do, how we do it, and who we've helped so far. In our secure community, we encourage everyone to sign up for the secure community. There you can post your questions, your concerns, your likes, your dislikes, whatever issues you're having when it comes to your security system, your fire alarm system, whatever system that you have installed in your home or business, you can post your concerns here. We will answer them for you. If we can't get the answer for you, we will find the answer, or we will send someone out there to take a look at your system to see why it's functioning the way it do. Next over, here is our store where you can find cameras. You can buy wire. We have camera security kits, whether it be 4-channel camera kit, a 8-channel camera kit, a 16-channel camera kit, up to a 32-channel camera kit. We also have NDAA compliant security cameras. Now, these cameras are specifically for government agencies because they don't require Hike Vision or Dahua or any other brand manufacturer that's made from China. So we have to get NDAA compliant type camera systems in order to sell to the government. So there's NDAA cameras, NDAA NVRs, and these NVRs and camera systems is what we use to install inside of any government facility. We also have security camera monitors where you can buy spot monitors, or you can buy an actual camera monitor to view your camera from your camera system. Access control, where you can purchase card readers, the whole access control system, door locks, door position switches, Rex motions, or even intercom systems where you can purchase your whole entire intercom system for your home, for your business. Here we have our alarm and automation. This is where all of our alarm.com products are. This is where you can register for the alarm.com services. There you will find cameras, indoor, outdoor cameras, smart home security system, door contacts, wireless motions, camera motions. You will find everything dealing with smart home and security in the smart home automation tab. And our secure packages, like I said, we offer 4 packages tailored for you. We have our basic package, our premium package, our plus package, and our home advantage package. And then the last tab is our monitoring tab. There you will see fire alarm monitoring, burglar alarm monitoring, and what the charges are when you sign up with our services. And lastly is our contact us page. Here is where you could send us a message if you have a question, if you have a concern, or if you're looking for us to come out there and install something, or to even survey something. This is how you would get in touch with us. The best way is to give us a call at 845-377-3001. If not, you could just leave us a message. Fill out your name, your email, or phone number, and just give us a short description of what your problem is, and we'll get right back to you as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us by phone or by email. Please subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, where we post more tips, more tricks on smart home, CCTV, card access, fire alarm systems. Appreciate you for watching. Thanks.